Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the Oppo Band 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the watch screen to open the control center. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Other Settings. Scroll down and tap About the wristband. Scroll down the information and at the bottom tap Power Off, then tap OK. The watch will turn off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.